Okay, you know that random aisle at the dollar store that most people completely walk past thinking it's just junk? Yeah, that one. Well, I'm here to tell you that for indoor plant lovers, that aisle is basically a hidden treasure trove. And today I'm showing you 10 completely unexpected dollar store items that will transform the way you care for your houseplants this winter. We're talking pool noodles, windshield sunshades, birthday candles, things you would never in a million years connect to plant care. But they work brilliantly. Let's get into it. Hack 1. Pool noodles for repotting. Dollar store hack number 1. And this one genuinely surprised me. Pool noodles for repotting. Most of us repot plants the same way every time. We just grab the plant, yank it out, and hope for the best. But even a small amount of rough handling can tear roots and seriously stress your plant. Here's what you do instead. Slice a pool noodle lengthwise and use it as a soft cushion support to lift and move your plant safely without damaging the root system. It's especially brilliant for those root-bound pots where the plant feels practically cemented in place. I used this trick last month on a massive peace lily that had completely outgrown its pot, and the difference was unbelievable. But it doesn't stop there. Cut pool noodles into rings as pot risers to prevent water from sitting at the bottom, causing root rot. Or use a collar section to support top-heavy plants that keep tipping over. 1 pool noodle. Multiple problems solved. What's the trickiest plant you've ever repotted? Tell me your story below. Hack 2. Windshield sunshades. Hack number 2. And this one is for anyone who has windows that are either way too sunny or way too cold for plants. Windshield sunshades. Those reflective car shades aren't just for keeping your car cool. They are perfect for protecting your indoor plants from extreme window conditions. South-facing windows can scorch leaves badly in summer. Drafty windows in winter can chill plants to the point of serious stress and damage. Place a sunshade behind or around your plants, and it diffuses harsh sunlight during the hottest part of the day, while in winter, that same shade acts as an insulating barrier, blocking cold drafts that creep through the glass at night. Lightweight, reusable, and they fit almost any window. This is genuinely one of the most underrated indoor plant hacks I have ever discovered. Is your biggest window problem too sunny or too drafty? Drop your answer below. Hack 3. Aquarium gravel. Hack 3. And this one is specifically for anyone battling fungus gnats. Those tiny annoying pests that love laying eggs in moist topsoil. The solution? Dollar store aquarium gravel. Place a thin layer on top of your potting soil and you create a physical barrier that prevents adult gnats from accessing the soil to lay their eggs. But it does even more than that. The gravel layer helps you gauge watering because you can see exactly when water has reached the soil beneath, preventing overwatering and reducing root rot. And because it comes in every color imaginable, you can coordinate it with your plant decor, making everything look intentional and designed rather than just functional. This replaces decorative top dressings that cost anywhere from $8 to $50 per bag. Dollar store version $1. Same result. Has anyone else been driven absolutely crazy by fungus gnats? Tell me below. Hack 4. Baking cooling racks. Hack 4 baking cooling racks, and this one solves one of the most common indoor plant killers. Pots sitting in their own drainage water leading to root rot. Wire cooling racks from the dollar store elevate your pots just enough to allow air to circulate underneath, keeping soil from staying soggy. They're sturdy enough to support multiple pots at once, perfect for crowded plant shelves. Stack a few racks to create tiered plant displays, giving each plant more light and airflow. And for batch watering, place all your pots on a rack in the sink, water everything, let it drain freely with zero mess. Clean and simple. Have you ever lost a plant to root rot? Drop a below, you're not alone. Hack 5 pantyhose. Hack 5 pantyhose, and before you laugh, hear me out completely. Stretch a piece over the bottom of your pot before adding soil and you create a breathable barrier that keeps pests from entering through drainage holes while still allowing water to drain freely. No more tiny insects sneaking in. No more soil spilling everywhere when you move pots around. Cut sections of pantyhose also make the most incredible soft plant ties. They gently train stems and support new growth without damaging delicate plants. And because the material stretches naturally as your plant grows, you never have to keep readjusting. Brilliant. Would you use pantyhose in your garden? Genius or weird? Tell me honestly. Hack 6. Birthday candles. Hack 6. And this is the one that always gets the biggest reaction. Birthday candles as fertilizing reminders. Stick a candle into the soil of a plant, and you have a visual reminder that is literally impossible to ignore. Different colored candles can represent different feeding schedules or fertilizer types. Mark a height on the candle when it reaches that line. It's time to fertilize. No apps, no written notes, no forgotten plants. Just a simple visual cue sitting right in the pot, reminding you exactly what each plant needs and when. These candles aren't meant to be lit, they are purely functional markers, and they add the most quirky, fun visual element to your indoor garden setup. Be honest, do you have a fertilizing schedule, or do you completely wing it? Drop schedule or wing it below. Hack 7. Lint Roller. Hack 7 Lint Roller for pest control. Aphids, mealybugs, spider mites. These pests can take over a plant incredibly fast, and spraying pesticides isn't always ideal, especially on fuzzy-leaved indoor plants. The dollar store solution? A simple sticky lint roller. Gently roll it over the leaves and it picks up pests instantly. Chemical-free, completely gentle. Works brilliantly on plants with delicate fuzzy leaves like African violets or certain ferns, where water or pesticide sprays would cause damage. You can literally see the pests disappearing from the leaves in real time as you roll. Satisfying doesn't even cover it. What's the worst pest problem you've ever had with an indoor plant? Tell me below. Hack 8. Silica Gel Packets. Hack 8 Silica Gel Packets for seed storage. One of the biggest challenges with saving seeds is moisture. If seeds absorb even a tiny amount of water, they can fail to germinate completely, wasting months of careful growing. These tiny packets absorb moisture and keep seeds dry and viable for years. Place a few packets in a labeled container with your seeds and you dramatically extend their viability and guarantee a much higher success rate when planting. And if the packets ever get damp, just recharge them in the oven, completely reusable, and cost-effective forever. Do you save seeds or buy new ones every season? I'm genuinely curious. Hack 9. Mesh Laundry Bags. Hack 9 Mesh Laundry Bags for compost tea. Making compost tea or storing vermicompost can get seriously messy fast, and straining it out by hand is an absolute hassle. Fill a mesh laundry bag with compost, steep it like a giant tea bag, and when it's ready, lift the bag out cleanly, leaving behind perfect liquid with zero mess and zero splashing. These bags are also perfect for containing loose moss when repotting orchids, storing extra potting mix in ready-to-use portions, and they're machine washable and completely reusable. One bag, multiple uses, massive difference. Has anyone else made compost tea before? Tell me your experience below. Hack 10. Solar Garden Lights. And Hack 10, my absolute favorite for winter. Dollar store solar garden lights for supplemental plant lighting. Grow lights can be expensive and add significantly to your electricity bill. But these solar lights offer a brilliant budget alternative. Charge them in a sunny window during the day, then move them to darker corners of your home at night to give low-light plants a gentle boost. They won't replace a full-spectrum grow light, but for hardy houseplants like pothos, snake plants, and ZZ plants that need just a little extra light to maintain growth through winter, these are genuinely game-changing, and they add the most magical decorative element to your plant shelves, while actually being functional at the same time. Do your plants struggle in winter with low light? Tell me which ones below. Closing, and there you have it. 10 completely unexpected dollar store items that will genuinely transform your indoor plant care this winter. Pool noodles, windshield shades, birthday candles, lint rollers, none of these cost more than $1 or $2, but every single one makes a real measurable difference to the health and happiness of your plants. The best plant care in the world does not have to be expensive, it just has to be clever. And now you have 10 clever tricks that most plant lovers have never even considered. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment right now, telling me the weirdest or most unexpected item you have ever used for gardening. Because I guarantee the Greenscape Studio community will come up with things that will completely blow my mind. Hit that like button if you learned something new today. It helps Greenscape Studio reach more plant lovers who need these ideas. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss what's coming next week. Happy growing. I'll see you in the next one.